Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. With Karwa Chauth just around the corner, it's time to ensure your skin is glowing like never before. So today we have some last minute hacks to help you achieve that radiant look you desire. Let's start with the basics. Hydrations. Make sure you drink plenty of water to keep your skin plump and moisturized from within. And don't forget, fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can work wonders for your complexions. Next up, exfoliations to remove dead skin cells and reveal a fresh, youthful glow. Try using a gentle scrub for a DIY exfoliating mask. Make sure to focus on areas like the T-zone and cheek for smooth complexions. Now for a quick and effective hacks, ice cubes. Just wrap a few ice cubes in a soft cloth and gentle massage your face. This will help tighten your pores and reduce redness and leave your skin looking fresh and rejuvenated. Moving on to the skincare product, opt for a lightweight non-greasy moisturizer that suit your skin type. This will give you that dew glowing look with making your makeup slide off. And for an instant boost, incorporate a brightening sheer mask into your routine. These masks are saturated with beneficial ingredients that can instantly vitalize your complexions, leaving you looking radiant and ready for the festives. And last but not least, don't forget sunscreen. Even if you will be inside most of the time, it's crucial to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Look for a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and apply it generously before stepping out. So there you have it, some simple yet effective last minute hacks to get your skin glowing this Karwa Chauth. We hope these tips help you achieve this radiant look you desire. And thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks guys. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my